friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, Trading Technicals. So, last time we had seen the update on how to use range bars, right? And today we will try to find out what usage we can do for the line break. Okay, so again, in your Zerodha, if you're going, you can just go to the display and you will get this option below, just below Kagi. You will get line breaks. Okay, now how do we use line breaks and what is the use of, how do we kind of utilize this as a, trading tool? Now, if you remember, you would have heard this super trend, right? And most of you use super trend and other things, right? But super trend also gives you certain things which will be working out on the price action, right? And it will show you the proper trend. Now you just understand from this particular chart, right? So if you put normal candlestick chart, this is how it looks like, right? Lots of movements. You don't have a clarity which side it is going to go, what is a trend, right? But if you use line break, you look at the trend, how it is showing you. It is showing you the perfect trend that it is a negative. It was a positive trend till here. Okay, then we have a negative trend. It can also tell you what are the resistance and support levels. Okay, just the way we had used it on range bars. Okay, the only difference here is it is going to give us a line break, which is basically, if we say standard is 3, okay, always you will get 3. Okay, so you select 3. Okay, so every 3 lines, whenever there is a movement, right? So every 3 candles, 1, 2 and 3, if this low is broken, okay, so if 1, 2, 3, so if you have seen 1, 2, 3 here, okay, it will be much more easier for you to understand here. Okay, so you have 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so what has happened is all 3 is telling you it's a green trend. Okay, the market is an upside bullish move. But what is happening is this particular candle, okay, actually breaking the first candle. So 1, 2, 3, whichever is there, right? So we will use okay, so we look at this low, right? So this is the low of this particular candle which has been broken. So your trend has changed negative, right? So you can take a short position with a stop loss of this candle, right? The high of this particular candle, and that is where you will trade, right? So if you look at this particular thing, it will give you much more clear view of the market, whether the trend is in positive side or a negative side. Okay, so if you would have kept a stop loss here at 698, your entry would have been at 682, and look at the big move which you have got. And the other thing which is there, till the time the trend is not changing, which is basically 3 candles low is not broken or high is not broken, it will not change the trend, right? So it will continue the trend till the time you get one green candle here in this case, right? So if you would have seen, this candle has actually broken this 3 candles ka high. Okay, so only one candle which has given you a false move, and then again the down trend started. Now here you got again the bullish trend. Okay, then it has moved up. Okay, and it has gone up, right? So this is how we analyze on this particular type of charts, right? So line break, so basically you can set it up as per your requirement, whatever you want. Okay, so you want, say, 2 lines, 2 candles low or high to be broken, right? And you can see how the trend is there. Okay, so if you want a quicker actions, right? And generally for a longer term this thing, you can use it as a 5 candles pattern also. Okay, so you can exactly know where are the support resistances also. Now how do you find support resistances? Now look at these things, right? So this is your support. Okay, when it is going up. This was a resistance till hit this point. Once it gave you a breakout, the price is moving upside, right? So 351, 165, this will be the zone of support, right? And this particular scenario. If you would have seen earlier days also, this one was a resistance, this one was a support, right? And this is where we were trying to trade. Now other thing what you can do is you can always use 20 moving average as a trend confirmation thing, or you can use it for the support resistances when you're trailing the stop losses or something, right? So look at how it actually moves. So moving average is completely your choice. You can select as per your requirements. Okay, so I have selected 20 here, and whenever the movement is there, we can get a proper trend confirmations, right? So here also if you get, so probably if you short it here, probably your stop losses, you just have to move it in the next candle high or low, right? So when you are trading it here, say you have taken a trade at this point, right? So first stop loss will be at this point, then slowly once it is moving, you can start moving your stop losses below these candles, right? So you can get it till the maximum level. And whenever we are taking this confirmation, now when you're looking at this live market, this one is looking fantastic, but when you're looking in the live market, there would be some repenting which might happen because the things have changed, right? But only thing is, so we have to wait for this candle to form and complete this. Okay, now this one has a time factor in this thing. So if the time whatever you're setting, say 2 minutes candles, if you're setting it, okay, so what will happen is in 2 minutes, whatever move is coming, so every 2 candles, 3 candles, whatever you have set it, it will take that particular thing. So if you look at this particular thing, it will give you little more faster moves, or some signals here and there, which will kind of take care of in case if you're playing in a intraday positions, right? So you set 1 minute, it will give you this kind of thing, right? So standard is 5 minutes, 3 minutes is what you can use, which will give you a standard trades. And wherever we can trade on these particular things, right? So support resistance is one. Look at this particular thing. This was some support here. Okay, so 500 will act as a support. This one is support. This one is one support. Okay, so if you look at it here, it had taken the support earlier, right? Exactly this particular place it has come and stopped. And you look at this point here, exactly it came to this point and it jumped, right? So this is what it will tell you. Okay, intraday it works fantastic. I have been using it for quite a long time for certain analysis for support resistance and other things. On intraday also I'm using it to some extent. Okay, and when we are trailing it also in a swing trades and other things also, you can use it for your requirement. Okay, so you just have to set your time thing, and you have to trade with that thing, right? So look at this put. Okay, so this put, if you look at it, uh, this has been going up, right? So if you would have one second, this chart is not updated. Okay, we will take another option. Okay, so look at this option, right? It is below the moving average, below VWAP. Look at the support on the VWAP. You can also use VWAP, right? And so whenever it is going up, you have where exactly it is taking support, where it is taking resistance. Your stop losses will be small if you're taking the moving averages and other things. And look at this. Okay, so even if this candle which gave this kind of move, you still know, okay, there is a resistance at this area. If at all it sustains above this area, then you can continue. Otherwise you can move back to your selling side. And look at this. So this is how this particular thing works. and it can give you really good moves certain times. You can use it as per your setup, earlier setup, whatever you are using, whatever you want to add and delete. But just use this particular thing. So you don't need a super trend here, right? So super trend, the candle itself is a super trend. It is going to tell you what is the trend, which side the market is going, which side your view should be, and what positions you have to take, right? So you can check on Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty, it had given, the first candle was green, and after that it has given you a red candle. If you would have sold it here, exactly, you would have got the complete move, right? So this is how this particular thing works. So you can check it out. Line break is the chart name. You can just check and let me know if this helps you in any ways in your trading thing. Okay, if you like the video, please hit that like button, share it with your friends and family. Okay, so they can also start utilizing this. Thank you guys, have a nice time.